Hi, Mike Kennedy with you here. Here we have a little completed little MRE. I found some more individually sized saltine crackers. We've got a raisin. We have it shelf-stable milk. And we have a cracked pepper and sea salt tuna pouch with spoon. So let's look at the numbers on this. If we look down at the bottom here, these are all the individuals, but at the bottom we have a cost of $3.23. We have 490 calories, which is okay for breakfast, 27 protein, and 950 milligrams of sodium. So let's try them out and see how they taste. Let's try this shelf-stable milk, single serving. I haven't tried this brand before, but I've noticed myself in buying I like to buy the quart size once in a while at one of the dollar type stores for $1. But the whole milk tastes quite a bit better than the low-fat milk. Let's try this and see. Of course, any port in a storm. Look at this. This has got a piercing element to the straw. That's funny. Oh. It's a retractable straw. That's kind of cute. So we pull it out. Let's see if it seals. That tastes pretty good. Of course, it's warm, but we're used to cold milk generally. We've got our little raisins. Now, they do have raisins that are more wrapped a little better than this, but $100 calories, a gram of protein. The milk was 110 calories. But 8 grams of protein. These are saltine type crackers instead of the larger packs. These are in smaller packs, and we've got the tuna to put on them. So let's give that a try. I'm still on the lookout for different bread and cracker options. I mean, they have a lot of products like this that are already contain peanut butter or cream cheese or whatever. But I haven't found many products that are plain so that we put something on them. This is kind of neat in that it has a spoon, and you unfold it and snap it into place. Here we got a different flavor again, but look, 14 grams of protein and only 60 calories. So, I mean, this could be a diet option too. We wanted to boost the calories here. They had tuna or chicken salad, and the incorporation of the other ingredients brings the protein level down, but increases the calories quite a bit. So, looks like tuna to me. Let's try it out. Definitely tuna, and of course I put it on saltier crackers, but I can taste the pepper coming through. Let's just try it by itself. Good. Now obviously you're making a meal for more than one person, this could have been substituted with a can of tuna. And now they have some canned tuna salad or chicken salad. And of course you could have more crackers and the milk option as well. So, very good. So here's a complete meal. $3.23. Got plenty of protein. It's got 500 calories. And all processed food has got sodium, but we're using saltine crackers, and there's been sodium added to the tuna, I believe. Light tuna, water, sea salt, cracked black pepper. Contains tuna. Very good. We'll continue on with some other choices.